today I'm going to show you some tussar sari along with hand painted block print with gun spray, and some saris with katha work along with cut work and Ari Zardozi. So these are all I'm going to show you one by one. So I will start with the sari number 1. This is 4950. The price of this sari is, this is a premium quality tussar with zari border. This is the pallu of the sari. This is a gray par aanchal and the body is black. And as you can see, this is a fully hand discharge painting. It will come to the lower part. As you can see. This is a very pretty sari. This is the design, and this is the pallu. Of the sari, and there is a grey blouse. With border. This all comes with the silk mark certified. All silk mark certified tussars. Sari number 1. Now I show you sari number 2. This is also a hand block print. As you can see, this is the pallu of the sari. It's a rani color, and this is a background color. It's a brownish type and with orange and rani combination. This is all over same print. I'll show you the close-up of this sari. This is all over, and there is a blouse. This has got the rani blouse, full plain rani blouse. The sari number 2 is all 4950. Now I'm going to show you sari number 3. It's a Vishnupuri silk. It's a half and half design. This is a designer print. As you can see, this is a pallu of the sari. And there is upper border. This is upper border, and the half sari comes like this. This will start with the pleats. This is half and half combination. This is half. This is body part. There is upper border. And this is a pallu. This is a red, black and white combination. It's a very pretty sari, and this is a Vishnupuri silk. 3850 the price of this sari is, and the blouse is red. It's the blouse. Now I'll show you sari number 4. This is a pallu and shoulder pattern design. I'll show you how it will come. This is a pallu, it's a triangle pallu, and this will come to the shoulder part. And this is the lower border. This will come to the shoulder part. It's a kalamkari print, as you can see. I'll show you the close-up of this print. It's a combination of grey, yellow and black. As you can see, black print, yellow, white. This is all discharge print, and there is a triangle pallu, and it has got the blouse. It's a contrast blouse, yellow blouse with border. Borders are there. This is sari number 4, 3850. Now I'll show you zari bafta. This is zari bafta. This is also a gun spray. It's a gun spray print. It's a shades of rani, orange and red all over, and we have done a hand block discharge print. It's a geometrical pattern. As you can see, there is a diamond shape in the pallu. This is the pallu, and this is the body, and this is the lower border. All over same. It goes like this, and there is a blouse, all over printed blouse. It has got all over printed blouse. This is very pretty sari. As you can see, both sides stripes zari border, and the hand block discharge print all over. I'll show you the close-up of the print. It's a very designer print. sari number 5. Now I'll show you sari number 6. It's again a hand block. It's a kalamkari print. It's a very good print. This is also a striped zari border. This is a pallu, and this will come all over same. This is a kalamkari print. As you can see, the combination of it's a indigo blue and red combination, indigo blue and red, and it's a multicolor discharge print. It's a hand print actually. This all comes with the silk mark certificate. This is sari number 6, and it has got the red blouse. Now I will start with the katha work with hand paint and katha work. These are 6500 range. As you can see, this is the pallu of the sari, fully hand paint. Then we have done a multicolor katha outline. It's a fully katha. It's not outline. It's filled with the multicolor thread. This is the new concept. It's the only panel side, only down border, and there is a pallu. This is a pallu. I'll show you the close-up of this work. This is actually a peach color. This is a very nice color. It's a peach color. There is a pallu, and it's a body. And it has got the blouse. It has got the same blouse, and we have given one motif with katha work. You can put it on the back side of the blouse. These are all 6500 range. These are all 6500 range. Oh, sorry, these are 6200 range. This is 6200 range. Now I'll show you sari number 7. This is a very nice print. It's a hand block print. It's a multicolor discharge print. Then we have done a katha work on it. This is the pallu of the sari. This is the pallu of the sari, and this is the body. This is all over same. This is all over same. As you can see, this is the pallu. It's a combination of grey and red. I'll show the close-up of this. It's a very pretty sari. It's all over same, and it has got the contrast blouse, and there is a work for blouse. It's a katha work is there for sleeves. It was sari number 8. Now sari number 9. Sari number 9. This is a silk. This is a Vishnupuri Katan silk. This is a hand cut work on pallu. This is the cut work, and this is the hand painting, and we have done a fully hand ari work outline, and with some French knot stitch with mirror work. This all over work, all over hand ari work on the with the hand paint. This is the pallu. I'll show you the close-up. This is the outlined, fully outlined, and then it's a French knot with mirror work, all over same work. And there is a blouse for this. Again, this has got we given a one motif with for the back side of the blouse. You can put it on the back side of the blouse. So one motif. It's a combination of red and grey combination. And there is a sleeves. There is a for cut work also for the sleeves. For blouse, we are given a cut work sleeves also. This is very pretty sari. Now I'll show you the sari number 10. It's the last sari, and it's very one of the prettiest sari of the day. As you can see, this is a pallu. It's a indigo color. This is a pallu and fully hand paint. That is a panel. It's a panel all over, and all over there is a mirror work. I'll show you. This is a fully hand paint and kantha outlined. Sorry, it's a ari outlined all over same. And there is a mirror work. There is a mirror work all over. So this is a cut work on pallu. This is a very nice pretty saree. This is the look of the saree. Thank you so much.